back to my channel. If this is your first time stopping by, welcome, and if you're returning, welcome. So I have a brand new video, and today's video is going to be me reviewing the Lancome Blockbuster 2018 gift sets that they do have. If you watched my last year's one from Stilleto, this year I decided to try it. First thing first, I would like to note that please do not forget to subscribe, leave a comment. You know what I'm saying? Like, if you like what I'm doing, like if you watch my videos more than twice, like you love what I make, so subscribe, okay? Secondly, I'm putting on a onesie because it's freaking cold in my room. I'm even putting on a socks. That's another reason I'm tying my hair. My hands are cold, so bear with me. Another thing I would like to note is I never noticed that Lancome foundation can be red. So ahead of this video, I bought the gift set and it had everything but just the foundation. I'm currently low on foundation as well, so I was like, I might as well try the Lancome foundation because I have a friend that makes use of it and she said it's bomb. So you guys, today I was out in the cold. I went to like 3 different stores out of 4 locations they have. Not in Sephora. I was not trying to buy through Sephora. I was trying to buy through Hudson's Bay because I get some discounts. You know what I'm saying? So I went to the 3 out of 4 Hudson's Bay locations, and I ended up just getting like a sample because they're out, and this is 530, the shade 530, so please bear with me. So moving on, let me show you guys the gift set. So this gift set, you need to buy something worth $50 or more to get this, and I believe it's $85, okay? It looks kind of small from outside, but I'm just like, you know, let me be objective and give this a try. I have tried to open it. Let me just open it to show you guys what it looks like inside. It comes in this really cute purse. Do you guys see? Like, I love the pink or the purple. I actually love purple, but I don't have a favorite color. I think this is quite cute. Everything is wrapped, looking good. I was expecting more of like a plastic container, the way Stilleto one came. You know, Stilleto had like a plastic container. But I mean, like, if you're trying to save cost and make it travel size and travel friendly, this is a smaller box compared to the Stilleto one. The Stilleto box is quite big. And if you're traveling to another country for, you know, for Christmas, it's like you have to choose between carrying that box or not if you don't have a lot of space to get around it. I just like how everything is just sleek, you know, sleek and black. So this is a cute bag, and you could use it for so many things. Like if you are an upcoming makeup artist, like if you are getting this gift set to have their product as well, this is a good deal. Like, and it's like good leather. Like, I can tell this is not cheap quality. Ooh, and I'm trying to scratch it just to see. And it's still good. I love the bag. I love the choice of color. The Starlight Sparkle Face Palette Glam, and I'll just do a quick swatch for you guys. Look at this. This is one time using this finger. Wow. You can pack a lot of products with just one hand. Like, what? These are all the shades from the Starlight Sparkle Face Glam. Like, it's so soft and it goes on so creamy. And these are the swatches on my hand. Isn't that gorgeous? I got the Youth Activating Concentrate. This eye cream is for my eyes. Oh, this is like so classy. Like, see, you press it down. You press it down. And you like get the product. I like the smell. It's mild. It's not like over the top. Like, it's a good smell. I don't know if it's just me or it's starting to look a bit darker than my actual skin tone. Maybe it's just me, guys. Do you see the coverage? Like, what? So I don't know what I should do, but these eyeshadows are literally calling my name. Like, see, it's just they don't have any transition color. So I'm just going to go in with my Juvia Place to get some dark brown on my eye, because I personally feel like I would need that. So I'm just going in with one of my Juvia Place palettes. I'm going to use this color here. Like, I'm drawn to it. So, whoa. Like, do you guys see what I see? Like, wow. Wow. This is to tell you guys I'm watching a lot of people's videos. I don't mind this eyeshadow, to be honest. Like, it's so smooth. Oof. For Blockbuster set I did last year, they had like really lined up drugstore panels and the colors did not show up properly. But this one is like, it's a game changer. You know what? I'm gonna go in with a darker brown. I think the brown I use on my Juvial palette is not brown enough for this look. Nah. And it's funny because you barely hear people say they're making use of a Lancome foundation. Like, to be honest with you guys, I only knew they made skincare products and foundations. Plus, when I know that a company is good with skincare products and foundation, I usually get shitty eyeshadow from them. Now, but this one I'm blown away. I'm gonna use a brush that has no product on it to just blend everything out. This palette, like, you guys see this goodness? Like, what? I'm gonna go in with that to highlight my eyebrows. Like, I don't know, should I use this or this? This or this? Nah, this is women of color friendly. Like, what? Taking a closer look at this last shadow over here, or face palette over here, it's like, it's dark to be for some people, like a bronzer, but for me it's like literally going to go on my face like a face powder. You know what I mean? So I'm going with my Fenty Beauty to contour my face. So next I'm gonna use this eyeliner from Lancome. I don't know if it's dark enough. Oof, and it's quite long. I like how long this eyeliner is. Like, what? Eyeliners are usually short, and this is 602 Black Ebony. Okay, so this is what it looks like on my hand. Honestly, I do not think it's black enough. I wish it was more of like creamy. That's the it's kind of dry. I'm getting like this type of dry consistency with it. I think for this eyeliner, because it's quite dry, it was quite hard for the blackness to transfer. I had to like keep pressing it in, and it was just too much for me. I'm going with the eye primer. This is what it looks like, all white. I think it's cute. Going with this Monsieur Big. That's an interesting name. Now it's time to go in with the blush. Like, I don't know, I'm quite excited because even the last time I did a video like this, I know I keep referring to last time, I really love the blush. So I think I'm going to go in with the last one, okay? There's quite a handful of fallouts. Like, look at this, and I just tapped on it. Like, you need to be careful. You see, oof. The blush has quite a handful of fallout. Like, oh, now I have too much product. Using the face palette, I'm gonna put a little bit of highlight. This is so beautiful. I actually like this highlight. Like, what? Yo, this is so pretty. Nude. So this is me with the lipstick with no lip liner. Okay guys, this is the end of the look. I know I look pretty, I look gorgeous. Just so you guys know, this lashes is from my collection. This particular lash I have on is called Nimi. So if you're interested, you know what I'm saying, it's open. We have some Black Friday sales going on as well. So, and also this contact lens is on my website as well, cherishofficial.ca. Overall, this makeup, this look, everything was good. Like the blush is dark women friendly. The highlighter, like, take a look. Bang. The highlighter too was what is like, I'm not even gonna lie, like I really like the highlighter. The only thing was I believe that the palette had quite a fallout. Like I shared when I took patted on the blush. What's wrong with me? I can't speak today. Anyways, when I tapped on the blush palette, it kind of like fell out a lot. But overall, it's really good. Like it's pigmented. Like look at this eye look. It's quite pigmented. The only thing, another thing I didn't quite appreciate was the eyeliner. Eyeliner was too dry. Like what was going on my eyes, like quite rough, you know what I mean? But overall, everything's okay, came out good. So that's the end of this video. If you want to buy, it's all up to you. What do you think? I don't know. Bye guys, see you guys in another episode. Okay, and please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Bye.